everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today's video, guys, is just going to be a little chit-chat video. I wanted to give you some updates on what's happening with Shell's Glam Home in 2020. I want to first of all wish you all a truly wonderful Christmas. I hope you've enjoyed the holiday season so far and that you enjoyed bringing in the new year. It's currently the 2nd of January here in Australia, and with the new year, you're always excited for new adventures and new things. So I wanted to make a little video to give you updates, first of all, on what's going to happen here at Shell's Glam Home. Now, my number one priority when I started this channel was to truly make people happy. And that's exactly what I continue to do, guys. It's always been about, wow, Shell's got a new video. I can't wait to watch it, because not only do I like watching home decor, but it really makes me happy. And when you leave me positive feedback and tell me how, you know, you're one of my favorite YouTubers, oh my God, Shell, I love the new pink couch, that really makes me so happy, and it makes me realize why I do this in the first place. It gives me constant reminders of why I do this. So I want to thank you, first of all, from the bottom of my heart, that you've all jumped on board. You know, you've all encouraged me. You've told me to keep going. You've given me your feedback. You've told me, no, Shell, I don't really like watching that, but I will watch this. So, you know, that really, really does make me want to continue to strive to do better, and to bring content that I know you'll love. Now, I always try, even when something as simple as a DIY, when I put together a DIY, I'm always thinking ahead, guys. I'm always thinking of, you know, how can I make someone really smile when they're watching this video? You know, even from the choices of my music, I always want my music to be uplifting, which makes you feel good about watching the video. And that's always been my priority. Now, obviously, Shell's Glam Home is about my house and how I love glam decorating. You know, 80% of my house is glam. I love bringing ideas. I love showing you that you can save money and have that same look. I love showing a look for less. I really love that idea. And that's, you know, another one of my main focuses was I want to show people that it doesn't have to cost a huge amount of money. You know, like I recently just did my DIY leopard print bench. It was a $35 bench from Kmart that I made over. I want to show people and continue to show people that you can still have that glam look without having to spend a lot of money. Now, I want to continue. I asked you your question just before Christmas. I said to you, you know, what do you want to see in 2020? You know, is it the Chanel DIYs? Is it more glam decorating? Is it a different style of decorating? You know, I asked for your feedback and you very kindly gave that to me. And it helped me in making my decisions on where this channel will go to from here so much easier. Now, obviously, every video that I put up, I try to incorporate glam. You know, I have done a few farmhouse ones, but the majority of my videos are always something to do with glam. This year, I'm going to continue to do that. Absolutely. I want, if I could have it my way, every one of my videos would have the title glam in it. So in saying that, I want to branch out a little bit, guys. You know, the main focus of this channel will always be home decor. And I know that 90% of my subscribers have subscribed to me for that reason. And obviously I will always continue to do that. But I want to just, sometimes I do get a little stuck for content, guys, you know, coming up with new ideas and you know, sometimes just like any passion, you can go a little bit stale where you feel like I'm not feeling it. I'm not really into it. And then all of a sudden I'll get re-inspired and bang, I'm back, you know, with another video. That's sort of how this sort of evolves. But in saying that, I definitely do want to incorporate a couple of other things related to glam. And I want to incorporate a couple of other things that relate to glam. I'm really into fashion at the moment, guys. I'm currently trying to lose some weight, and you know, I've been about 7 weeks in now, and I'm feeling really good. I want to put on clothes. You know, my clothes aren't so tight on me anymore, so I'm really excited to look at a different outfit or a different dress. So I really want to see if I can incorporate a glam, you know, fashion video for you. Obviously, this isn't going to be the main focus of the channel. I might do this once or twice a month. You know, I love glam makeup. I love watching videos on makeup. I am by no means any form of makeup artist, guys, but I'm really interested in it. And I'd be interested to know if you'd be interested in watching that, of me doing that. So, utmost and foremost, guys, 100%, this channel will continue to be about home decor. I know you guys out there that are big glam lovers absolutely love, you know, the Chanel inspired type DIYs, the, you know, breakfast at Tiffany's, that style of decorating. I know that you all really love watching that type of thing, and I have so many ideas in store to bring with you very soon. So yeah, another thing that I really want to touch on as well throughout the year is I love watching vlogs, guys. You know, I just watched Learning to Be Fearless. I don't know if you guys follow her, but I watched her entire Vlogmas, and I still am. And I was hooked. I was hooked. I watch Alex all the time, but I was just hooked this year on her vlogs. And I thought, you know, I could possibly do some sort of vlogging where it relates to glam. So, you know, I was thinking of taking you out and going to major home decor stores that specialize in glam decor. One of them, for example, is Early Settler Furniture. It is glam heaven, that store. My husband drags me out of that store all the time because it's just like, oh my goodness, just so many beautiful pieces. I want to maybe take you along with me and do a vlog style video where, okay, today guys, I'm going to take you to Early Settler. Let's have a look at what they've bought in for 2020. I'd really still love your feedback, guys, on if you'd love to see that type of content as well. 90% of my subscribers, guys, are also from overseas. So I've had a few of you ask, show us Australia, show us things that, you know, you guys aren't getting to see. So I thought I'd incorporate a little bit of that while I'm out vlogging. So I just wanted to take a really special moment to thank you all. Use truly, there's nothing better, guys, you know. I upload a video and I'm not sure how it's going to go, and you know, I think to myself, geez, I hope they like it. And you know, obviously it's not for everybody. I get that. I get that, you know, somebody prefers to watch something else. Totally. But there's nothing nicer, guys, when somebody leaves me a comment and says that they're having a bad day and I watched your video and you truly made me happy. You know, at 48 years old, I really want to leave that positive influence to everyone around me, because, you know, life's short, guys. I've lost a lot of family members over the years, and, you know, a lot of friends, and it's very, very sad sometimes that you realize how quick life goes. So while we're here, you know, if I can make somebody out of a 10-minute video feel special, feel happy, then I've done my job, guys. I've done my job. All I ask for you guys is, you know, YouTube is a it's a job I am so passionate about. It's everything that I've ever dreamed about. It can also be very tough. You know, next time you watch a YouTube video, regardless if it's mine or anyone else's, please bear in mind the time and the effort and the, you know, the thought that's gone into those videos, because it's not easy. It's, you know, before, you know, when I started watching YouTube, I was like, oh, I could do that. Give me my camera and I can pick that up and I'll have it on YouTube in 5 minutes. No, it's far from that, guys. There's a lot of effort that goes into them, and all I ask of you to continue to support me here is something as simple as a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. It really does. You know, sharing the video, share it as much as you can, guys. Again, it helps me. And obviously, if you choose to subscribe to my channel, I am so, so grateful. I'm grateful to each and every one of you. I've made so many wonderful friends through the internet, and just by, you know, I remember a few months ago I was in TK Maxx. You know I'm always there. I was in TK Maxx and this lady come up to me, and I'm sorry, I can't remember her name, but if you're watching, you know who you are. I was in TK Maxx, and you know, I very rarely get in front of the camera, so I was a little surprised that somebody recognized me. But this beautiful lady come up to me and she said to me, "Excuse me, do you do YouTube?" And I was like, yeah. It was like the first time I'd been recognized, and she was like, "Oh my God." And I'll never forget it. It was actually Halloween season, and in Australia, that's when we get pumpkins. And this lady said to me, "Oh my God, you're the reason I'm here buying pumpkins." And I thought that was just so cool. And honestly, guys, I walked away from that lady and I was just like, wow, I felt so good inside that somebody, they recognized me, which was actually a little bit of a strange feeling. But yeah, it made my heart so happy that what I was doing, the hours and hours that I've put into this, is paying off, because I'm making somebody happy. And that was always what this channel was about, and will continue to be so. So I just want to thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, thank you so much for all your continued support. And I can't wait to bring new videos to you. I've got so many coming up. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tap that notification bell. It's really important. Sometimes YouTube has it on, sometimes it's off. I don't understand it all, and I don't think I ever will, but if you could just tap that notification bell, and where it says you always want to be notified when I upload a video, then you'll be aware next time that I upload. And I hope that my videos just continue to inspire, and that you get so much enjoyment from them, because that's what it's always been about. I love you so, so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.